Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you how the way you make your video look cinematic with color grading. So the applications here that I use is a CapCut. To do a color grading in a CapCut, you just need to click the clip, and after that you just need to scrolling into the left side until you found adjust, and now you just need to click it, and here you can just start to do color grading. You can adjusting the brightness of your video. If you want to make the cinematic video, I would like to suggest you to reducing the brightness into -10, and for the contrast you need to adjust in it, increasing the contrast to 10 or 50. And for the saturation, to make a cinematic, I would like to suggest you to do a warm touch by drag into the right side for 6 to 7. And for the exposure, let's put a little light on this video by drag it into the right side until 15. And for the sharpen, you can also make it sharp a little for 15. And now you need to go into the grabs. Now you can adjusting this primary color into that can affecting your video. So for the white, you can increase in it, but then I will suggest you to make it a little bit down or decreasing the white color on this video, and increasing a little bit more light or red on it. There we go. And for the green, you can also adjust in it a little bit, and for the blue you can also adjust in it to this part. There we go. And then when you're done, you just need to go click this button, and now you just need to scrolling into the right side and to go to into the shadow. Make a shadow or adding a shadow by drag at this point into the left side. And then the temperature, as I told you before, a cinematic will be great whenever you put a warm temperature on the video. And here we go. And whenever we're done, we just need to go click this checklist button. So this point is the way how do you do color grading, but it will be depending into the quality of the video, the light of the video that you have. So you can only seeing to this tutorial, but you can adjusting according to the video that you have. And this is the result. And if you want to check the previous before you adjusting the color grading, you can just go into the back side by click this part. And that's the way how to do color grading on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial is really useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.